Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can deposit cryptocurrencies and fiat uh, on Blofin. So let's get straight into it. Now let's start with the fiat. So with euro or dollar or something else. So log into your account and then here at the top you will see buy crypto. So now fiat we can deposit through two options. So we have buy and sell and bank transfer. So buy and sell is with a card, so Visa, MasterCard and so on. Bank transfer is by SEPA, SWIFT and like so. So if I click here on buy and sell, this is for credit cards and so on. Right here I can type in 5,000 USD dollars and I will receive USDT, as you can see, 4,800. Here I select the method and then I just hit buy now. The same thing is right here with the bank transfer. So if I want to place like that and like so, this is the same. Now, if I want to deposit crypto, so right here you see the option crypto deposit, click on that. Okay, here you will select crypto you want to deposit. So maybe I want to deposit, let's say, Bitcoin. Now I will select the network, so the Bitcoin mainnet, and right here we have here some deposit details which you will copy to the wallet where you have these bitcoins that you can successfully transfer to Blofin. But there in this external wallet, wherever you have this bitcoin, be really careful that you select withdraw or transfer, and then you will need to paste in this address exactly as it is shown to you. Because if you make a mistake here, it's possibility that you lose your coins. So be very careful with that. And yeah, this is basically everything that you need to know how you can deposit money and cryptocurrencies in Blofin. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.